Okay, so hello, it's my first video. Today I will teach you how to create this inflatable design asset like icon or something. You can use it for your art or anything you want to create. We need some graphic element. You can use SVG or something and just create a mesh from it. I have this 3D icon I generated in Hyper 3D AI. Now we see that the mesh is ugly and have awful grade, so we need to rebuild it. Let's add a volume builder here and set voxel size about 0.2, so it's nice. You can add SDF smooth, so that's okay, I like it. The next step, we need to make from this volume sheet our mesh. So we use volume mesher and let's set 75% here. Add our builder to a mesher and create mesh. Now we see the mesh is ugly as shit. Let's add remesh to make it perfect. It's time to save your project here. So let's do it. I will set the mesh density about 2% and symmetric by X. Okay, now we can add our mesher to remesh tag. Alright, now we see that the grid is okay, I like it. So we can add our density about 15%. Nice. So let's connect objects plus delete. So now we need to make our seams the area where our inflate effect will not work. Set this in the middle of our fucking moon, add a line here. Alright, so I want to make seam here and around our mouth. Alright, so we use loop selections for this. Okay, now we need to set vertex weight for our vertex map. Let's hit 100% value and mode set. Hit OK. Yellow means effect is working and red is not working. Now we add simulation tag balloon. Let's set 2000 here, 2000 here, and about 115% in target length parameter. So overpressure is about 1.44. You can use more if you need. I like this. And the most important parameter is mix animation. Hit with pins and add our vertex map here. We need to invert our vertex map and now we can cache it. Wait a minute, maybe more. Now we see our mesh is now looks cool. So we can freeze it and delete our tags and vertex maps. We don't need it, so let's scale it down and add a cloth surface tag for better details. Okay, that's scary as fuck and I like it. So let's render it. I have a basic settings, basic lights, nice. It looks pretty good. I can show you the shader. It's simple maximum noise. Goes to ramp with colors, goes to color correct where we change our hue, basic settings here, that's all. So now we have this pretty good icon. So if you need a free pack of 10 objects, which includes PNG, FBX file and Cinema4D and Blender files, go to my Gumroad, download it and use it. It's commercial free to use. So I love you. Thank you for watching and bye.